So if you made it through 214, good job. This will be NeoPixel 215. It will be a lot simpler. So this right here is the making of 215. On 214, we made the simple Simon, right? And you can play it. It flashes. You follow the flashes. You played Simon before, I'm sure, or know what it is at least. So we're gonna put this project aside, and we're gonna make a dice. And all we're gonna do is hit a button, and it's gonna light up a dice, right? And so we're gonna use the Arduino again, but I'm gonna lay it out on this piece of cardboard, our dice, and then we'll start wiring it up. So first of all, I'm gonna take these strips here and lay them down. I want the data to come in, then go up, and then come down. Okay, I'll explain what that means a little more in just a second. So stick that one there. Data is going up, and then data will come down with the single one. I'm pretty sure my fingers can get in here. Maybe. Perfect. Okay, data's going down. All right, and then data's coming right back up. So you check the arrows. There's the arrows. All right. So the idea here is you roll the dice, right? If it's just a 1, just the center one lights up, right? If it's a 2, the side ones light up. If it's a 3, this, and this light up. If it's a 4, just the corners. 5, the middle ones and the corner ones, and 6, just these ones out here light up. So that's the idea here, right? So I'm gonna add solder to all the contacts. There we go. It's a little bit of a blob on that one. Whoops. Whatever. As long as they don't touch, right? Okay. And I don't need any coming out of there. Is it? Oh. Let's see. So, okay, going down. Whoops. I flipped these two backwards. It's okay. I'll easily reposition those. Maybe. All right. So data comes in, goes up, and then comes down again. Okay. So I don't need anything here because data's not coming out of that. Okay. All right. Everything's tinned. Now I got to get all these wires tinned also. So here's a ground. Tin all that. And then while I'm at it, just connect it. Whoops. Usually I set them all up and then do it, but since it's in my hand and it's a little fast to do it this way, I'll do it this way. Okay, then I need a data. Maybe a little more. There we go. Okay. There we go. We got data going there. Then we need 5 volts going across. Cool. Okay. There we go. And now out the other side. And I might be making this look easy. It's not as easy, probably, as I'm making it look. I've done this a couple times before, so if it takes you a little longer, that's normal. Okay, so don't get like discouraged. I also have a really good soldering iron. I take care of my tip. I have a good tip on the thing. My temperature right now is at 750. It's a little warmer than most people like to run their soldering iron, but if you're fast, you can run it hotter. I don't think I tinned that one, but it still grabbed. Whoops. Got to make sure to tin them. All right, now we're going to do the long ones here. Okay. Tin that. Do the data. Typically do blue for data. There we go. Okay, and power. Okay. So I want these to go into the Arduino Uno. I'm not doing a Nano this time. I'm just doing something temporary. That's why it's on cardboard. So I'm going to expose quite a bit here. All right, twist this one off. There we go, nice tight bundles. And for anything I'm skipping here that you guys might be unfamiliar with, all this is covered in the Arduino 101 Basics. Okay. So let's take a look at this. So I got my Arduino here. Okay. And I'll do everything on this side. So I'll do 5 volts into 5 volts. Yep, that goes in nicely. Okay. Ground into ground. That goes in nicely. And data into A0. Cool. All right. So I guess I did everything double view. That's okay. Cool. And we'll do file new. Whoops, not open. File new. Okay. And we're just going to grab all the basics out of here, out of this Simon game, because it's still open. So we need all 4 of these things up here. Okay. And then we need a strip.begin and a strip.show. Actually, we can copy this whole thing. There we go. Because it does a tester first thing. Okay. So it's based on the LED count. Perfect. LED pin is 14 on this. That's right. A0 is 14. LED count on this is 7. Okay. Let's close that. All right. So let's see if our brand new shiny circuit works. So I'm going to plug it in. There we go. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's still running a program. That's funny. Huh. Okay. Well, anyways, let's see if we can get this rest of it talking. So tools, our board is an Arduino Uno. Tools port, COM51, which says Uno, and tools programmer, AVR ISP Mark II. Cool. Upload that. Let's see if we got everything talking. Okay, not talking to these. Let's take a look here. So yeah, it looks good on the soldering here. Might just be a bad chip. That's okay. This will be a good lesson on how to figure out like what actually went bad, what went wrong. So what I'm going to do is in my code, copy all this stuff and just run it in a loop. Just keep pulsing out to this strip here. Okay, that way it's constantly sending data, and I can figure out where the problem is. All right. So I'm going to hook up data here to data here and see if data is coming across. No, not liking that. Okay. So maybe I'm not getting power to this thing. Let's find out. So here I have a meter. Okay. And turn it on to voltage. There we go. Make sure we're getting voltage out of this thing. So push the 5 volts, push the ground. What do we got here? Oh, yeah, we got voltage coming through. Okay. We're just not getting data out to these things. So I'm going to unplug it and take a closer look with my eyeballs here. Yeah, maybe that power solder joint is a little close. We'll try redoing that, see if that fixes anything. Oh, definitely some bridging there. I mean, after I touched it. Okay, those are nice and separated now. Let's see if that magically fixes it. Oh, there it is. Okay, it was bridged. Cool, real easy fix. And now it all works. Okay, so this is the making of the dice. The next video, I'll show you how to actually program it. So when you hit the button, it's just going to show up a random dice on here. Real simple, straightforward program. Much easier than the last one. Good job sitting through the last one if you did. But this one's going to be a little simpler. Thanks for watching.